Panelfisa, a Spanish manufacturer of industrial fasteners, employs around 80 people. In 2010, it is facing a major crisis. Efficiency is low, product quality poor, and delivery problems result in unwelcome emergency transport costs. There is little communication between office and factory floor. Not surprisingly, employee morale is about to hit rock bottom. Earlier attempts to fix the situation had been unsuccessful. Traditional approaches such as 5S, scorecards, and continuous improvement initiatives did nothing to help. But in the summer of that year, CEO Satur Ormazabal learns about a new way of working. He meets Nair's founding father, Koldo Sarachaga, and visits several companies that he has revitalized. Panelfisa's leadership feels that Nair can help, and they bring in Koldo and his team. But before embarking upon the transformation voyage, the employees also get the chance to witness a few companies that had taken the Nair route. Staff then get to vote on transformation. Without the support of at least 80%, nothing is going to happen. In Panelfisa's case, all votes counted are in favor of radical transformation. This kicks off in early 2011. Employees share their feelings, hopes, and fears. Their input is taken into account and recommendations are presented to the entire workforce. These result in the following changes. The hierarchy is replaced by a network of 12 self-managing teams. Managers are replaced by self-selected representatives. All teams have different functions and are organized around the customer. There are 3 customer teams. These are in direct contact with customers and responsible for a geographical area. There are 6 client line teams. They are directly responsible for Panelfisa production. There's 1 support team. This team provides the customer and client line teams with back office functions including IT, administration, people, legal and finance. There is 1 commitment team. This consists of representatives from all customer and client line teams. The team is responsible for planning and agreeing inter-team commitments. There is 1 steering team. This team consists of the general coordinator, or Mazabal, and representatives of all other teams. They are responsible for company-wide issues and alignment. However, redefining the company structure was not enough. To ensure optimal collaboration and continuous alignment, more changes were made. An insistence on radical transparency by revealing company financials, salary information, and team performance data. Teams are shown how to read financial statements as a guide to better performance. Several metrics such as customer satisfaction, production numbers, quality, and punctuality are used to create transparency around team performance. The introduction of a new business rhythm. Daily coordination meetings are held between representatives of all client line teams. They meet for about 15 minutes to update each other on their team's status. And they discuss matters related to problems, incidents, breakdowns, customer complaints, suppliers, etc. This enables the teams to help each other when necessary. Weekly commitment meetings are held on Mondays. Representatives of the customer and client line teams discuss deliveries, commitments, that need to be made that week and the week after. Representatives of all teams meet monthly during steering meetings. However, they are open to any member of the organization who cares to join. Monthly performance statements take center stage. Each representative explains results obtained compared to objectives set the previous month, and relevant decisions are made. These recommendations are implemented over the course of 2011, and there are many quick wins. The results speak for themselves. Within 1 year, average production improved by 63%. On-time delivery reached 100%. Sales grew by circa 20% and gross margin increased by around 51%. Panelfisa has kept reinventing itself, by constantly challenging the status quo. It has never been a one-time transformation, but a never-ending search for a more human, more engaging way of working. Once performing miserably, it is now a flourishing, progressive company. Learn more at corporate-rebels.com/academy.